Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna unbox my IPSY ICONBOX. So if you want to see what I got, this one was, the icon behind this one is Gabrielle Union. If you want to see what items I received that were some of her picks, just stay tuned. All right guys, so let's open up this box and see what items that came in from the ICONBOX that's featuring Gabrielle Union. So this is how it looks when you open it up. I love the purple. All right, so this is the poster thing that's in there. It's a beautiful picture of Gabrielle Union. It says the art of you. So that's what it looks like all together. And this is several pages. Welcome to the art of you. When curating this collection, that's what it shows. I'm reading that little section there. She says, when curating this collection, I wanted to celebrate individuality and the things that stir your soul. Beauty isn't about fitting into a mold. It's about honoring what makes us unique. This collection was intentionally curated to reflect my journey and align with my values. Affordability meets luxury, inclusivity, sustainability, and products that feel as good as they perform. My hope is that as you unbox these treasures, you're reminded to love yourself enough to take risks, trust your journey, and create your own masterpiece. Here's to the beauty that's authentically you. Awesome. So it has a little QR code down there that you can scan to get uncovered. It says full inspiration behind Gabrielle Union's box. And then it has some of the items, I guess, that she picked out here. So we'll see, based on all of this, what exactly did I get, and we'll see what are some of the other items. So this was this on here. And then on the next page, she has about face value, making up your own rules. So these are several things that she had, that she picked. But you know, you're not going to get every single one of these items. That's the other page here. And then the back side of this one, glow from within. So this is some of the skin care picks that she had in here. And then they just have a last page that's talking about true radiance starts with taking care of yourself, your skin, your spirit, and everything in between. So that's that page here. And then the last page here is talking about the self-care reset. So some of the other items that she had picked on here. So based off of all of this, I'm going to put this to the side, and we're going to see what items that is picked. So this was reminding me of the old BoxyCharm Luxe box. They still got the same little packaging here, notice. So if you haven't seen my March, the regular box, BoxyCharm box by IPSY unboxing, you would have saw where I mentioned how I have a long history with BoxyCharm. Didn't really care for IPSY back in the day because I didn't like the sample size stuff. I found that I wasn't using it, so it was just sitting there piling up. So I realized that I liked the full size items, so I just got rid of the IPSY glam bag and kept the BoxyCharm boxes. And I would get a couple of the boxes. I got the regular box, and then I got the premium Boxy box. And then quarterly, it would upgrade to a Luxe box. And then every now and again, you got those takeover boxes, which is what this is a version of, one of those takeover boxes. So this is the IPSY ICONBOX now. And so, right off the top, I got the Dr. Jart Pore-Recting Solution. It says cleanses impurities and leaves skin looking fresh. Pore cleansing mask. That's what that is. In the back. All right, so what does this say? This sheet mask with an effervescent bubbling charcoal effect helps flush out debris that makes pores look bigger and leaves your skin refreshed. Okay, let's open this up so we can see what these masks look like. I have not tried the Dr. Jart mask. I've tried other brands, especially Sephora, but I haven't tried the Dr. Jart. So this is what one of the sheets look like. It's the same images that's on the actual packaging. So it has, how many of these is in here? 5. So it's 5 of these masks in here. All right. So some pore charcoal mask. Then we have a fresh soy face cleanser. I actually have one of these on my counter right now. My husband and I both have been using it. I don't always use it because it's not my favorite, but it is a good cleanser. So I'm glad to have that one. So I'm familiar with this one from Fresh. It's a good one. Then I have Paula's Choice Exfoliate, 2% BHA liquid exfoliant with salicylic acid. This is a 4 fluid ounce. I heard good things about Paula's Choice. I haven't tried anything from their brand, so I'm excited to try that because I love liquid exfoliators, and that's what this sounds like. That is a liquid one, so that's exciting. The other thing I have in here is, hey, it's from that Shades of Shan brand that we just got some, was it? Then I got the other things from, so there you go. Some more brushes. I got brushes in my other set as well, so. And these are all, how many is this? This is a 5-piece, premium 5-piece brush set, multi-use, vegan and cruelty-free. It has a crease brush, a blend brush, detail blend, lid, and precision blend. So that's what those heads are. You can see those right through there, so I'm not going to pull them all out. So some brushes. Then we have from LYS Beauty, Skin Loyalty, Blur and Mattify and Set Makeup Setting Spray. All right, so we got the setting spray from LYS Beauty. I have several things from this brand. I do not have their setting spray. So you know what? I might have to do a full face of LYS Beauty now, because look at here. Natural, says it gives you a natural finish. So that's nice. I love that they all have this triangle packaging. I think that's unique to them. That's cool. I am excited about these items I'm getting. All of these things that I've pulled out of here so far, I know I will use, and I'm excited about that. This is Tarte Contour. It says Sculpt Tape. I didn't even know they had a Sculpt Tape from Tarte. Kind of reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury one a little bit. It says it's in the shade Deep Bronze. That should definitely work. This is what the packaging looks like. It's very nice looking. And it has the cotton thing on there. So, very nice. The other item I have in here is from Hourglass. Look at there. How exciting. It is their Ambient Soft Glow Foundation. Okay. This is in the shade 13. How exciting. Look at there. I am so curious. Let's see. I'm curious. I have to see what this color looks like. I'm pumping. Come on. There you go. Some squirted out on my hand. It's close. So we'll have to see. I have to do a wear test and let you guys know. But it is close. Nice. All right. There's one other item in here. It is from NARS. It's their Power Matte Lipstick. In the shade American Woman. I have not tried any of NARS Power Matte lipsticks, so I'm curious what this one is looking like and what it would feel like on the lips. So this is the packaging. This is the color. Let's watch it right here on the side where I don't got the... It's a nice color. Yep, it's a nice color. I think I would like that. All right, guys. So what do I think of this ICONBOX? I love it. I love it. I got to get a foundation that I wouldn't normally have picked up. I just haven't tried I've eyeballed the Hourglass foundation, but I've never just decided to pick it up. So I'm excited to see how this shade is going to look on me. I'm excited about the setting spray. Everything really. I know I'm going to use everything on this table that I just showed you guys. So how many items was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this is the items. All the items, 8 items I got in this ICONBOX curated by Gabrielle Union. And this is a quarterly box from IPSY, their ICONBOX, and it is $65. So you guys tell me, is it worth it? Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. And if you haven't, subscribe and like. Thank you. Have a good day.